this entire first week of February has pretty much been like this. Right now, 21 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, beautiful sunny skies, but it is, the humidity's pretty high, and that's causing temps to be almost unbearable out here. So we are clearing up some timber that came down. Try to give you a shot of it here. We had a bunch of wind, rain, ice damage back in January. This is what I'm out cleaning up today because this area, Michelle wants to clean this up and put somewhat of a picnic area out here. Well, welcome to a Tuesday as we continue into this month of February 2025. Kind of a gorgeous day, sunshine, temperature about 17, 18 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, and we're warming things up. We're going to hit the trail, head into the trading post and the post office, and we'll take you along for the ride. Well, we've been trying to do a video of our trip in. This has been one more trip. And Michelle trying to get herself winterized for the ride back.
Okay, that sounds good.
And we're loaded down with supplies. And now we will slowly head out towards the trail. Well, we're at our rest stop just off of the Tanana River, and we are going to work out a way of filming this trip because we go through some of the roughest territory you can possibly imagine. But it is absolutely gorgeous out here, and we love this trip. It's just sometimes it's a little hairy.
Little.
And Michelle got her new goggles. Her Smiths, we have no idea where they are, so I ordered her a new pair, and I think she's enjoying them.
I love them. I haven't been as cold once we headed back as I was going out, even
Right.
behind you, breaking the wind.
Yeah, they make a big difference. Well, I'm currently at a spot, or we are at a spot known as Dugan Creek, which is a nasty little crossing due to the fact I've got to go up through some overhang here. But we just came through miles of overhang. No way to film it because it would have jerked the camera right out of our hands. There is overflow here, which is not good. Lots of wolf tracks around, or a wolf track. But this is one of those situations where once we get down here, we just have to power on and speed our way across. And what I'm checking out here is this overhang to see if it's going to pull me off of the snow machine. And I think I'll be all right coming up through there. So we will attempt this. Well, we made it across. I made it across. Michelle is still attempting to get across. She got off and walked just in case, because we are carrying a pretty heavy load here. But we have had miles of this overhang, and not exactly what, oh, obviously she's taking pictures. Yeah, taking pictures of wolf tracks. But truthfully, we could not have asked for a better day to make this trip. But the hardest part is still ahead of us. I take it you were doing wolf track
I was
photography?
trying to, but my glasses kept fogging up, so I don't know how well it came out.
Oh. All right, let's hit the trail. Well, Michelle and I are facing our biggest challenge right now. Today is Thursday. Monday, we went in to where we had the truck stored. She drove the Skidoo, I went on the Polaris. And she then proceeded, we got the truck ready, and she went into Fairbanks. Unfortunately, all communications between us are now down. HughesNet went out. She does have the repair parts and new cable and whatnot, but unfortunately, we have no way to communicate. And what I'm doing right now is I'm walking about 300 yards down to the riverbank, where I am hoping I get at least a bar to where I can send a text. We'll know about that. Otherwise, the situation is this. The only machines I have here are the Skidoo and the Snow Dog, and both of them went down on me. And I do not have the parts to repair them. Which means the only working machine we have is the Polaris, which she has in the parking space there where we keep the truck. Meaning that she will have to load the sleds and make that 20-mile run by herself. The first several miles of it, the first half of it, are extremely hazardous this time of the year. And she's never done anything like that before, so we will see exactly how well she fares. Oh, geez. Text finally came through, but these are from last night. Yep, last night. Okay, well, this is a bust. All right, back to the cabin. Okay, here's an update for you. Michelle left Fairbanks early this morning and should have been in Manly Hot Springs by, I don't know, 10:30. Being in a total grid down situation with no communications whatsoever, it's been very difficult for us to communicate. When I'm here on the bank of the river, I can get a bar, but the text takes hours to send, and it takes even longer for me to receive a text from her. I have been assuming, considering she is so late getting here, that she is stranded on the trail somewhere. That is not the case. I just got a text from our buddy Chuck in Manly. The truck broke down on Michelle at what we call the Manly cutoff, which is about 114 miles from Fairbanks. She was able to get, through the help of Dylan, they were able to get a wrecker out, and she has been towed back to Fairbanks, where she is now stranded in Fairbanks. And we have no idea how long that's going to be, because we don't have any idea of how long the repairs are going to take on the truck. So we will keep you updated on what's going on, but thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.